Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial building inspection, and I wanted to share with you because this is something we don't see a whole lot of, especially on commercial, and that's around in the Midwest area here, and that is the insulated concrete blocks system. Now, and you can see it's kind of an interlocking system. We'll get up a little bit closer. So it kind of tries to tie it together, the insulated blocks. And actually, this system is a pretty good system. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it gives you a little bit of insulation. But the good thing is it's all fireproof and everything. But we also, it's open sail insulation. And so this is good if it gets wet, because it will dry out. But it does have it, you know, it's just not really a great insulator at all. And you can see how it just gets damaged in the process of being installed, and it's a problem. But what I wanted to share with you here is back up here, and I wanted to share with you how our windows are also all buck frames. See that? And see the framing of that? Now that framing will be staying in there after everything. It helps set everything up. Tries to make it pretty plumb. Now we do have some problems. You can see some of my buck framing is really bowing a little bit here, you know, coming right in through here and here, and that's going to make it a lot more difficult to put our windows and things in. But they should have had a brace going across here to help hold that. But anyway, it looks pretty good. It's within standards, but I guarantee you the window people are going to be complaining, installers, the glaziers. But now you can see how my top up here is, it's bowing too. But anyway, these are some of the things to take a look at when you get in one of these type of insulated concrete block systems. And I think you'd be happy with the product too if it's installed correctly. This site's been having a lot of trouble, and that's why I've been called out here to help take a look at it. Anyway, I'm going to do another video on this, and we're going on the inside. Thank you, folks.